In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rich buyers through a particular TikTok targeting I'm going to be showing you in this video. Either you are into dropshipping and you are looking to build followers that have high buying capacity and also gift you on live videos, then stay tuned on this video and I'm going to show you how you can be able to do this through a particular TikTok targeting. If you have not followed this YouTube channel, kindly hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon, and let me know if you need videos that are related to things like this, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. Just drop it in the comment section and I'll be able to solve this for you. In case you are in Nigeria and you are looking for how you can be able to practice this particular thing, then you should know that TikTok does not support Nigerians, and I have a video for you that can be able to guide you on how to open TikTok ads account in Nigeria, or I can be able to help you create it myself if you message me on WhatsApp using this number in the screen right now. Let's get straight into it without further ado. Now, one of the best targeting you can ever use for dropshipping or to get people who often like to gift people on live, do you understand? Then you are going to actually get into your TikTok ads manager. Now, whenever you are trying to create your ads on TikTok, you're going to get to the gender, the age section, and under the age section you're going to see something like spending power, and you're going to see high spending power. Now, always make sure that you always tick this particular option. Do you understand? Because this high spending power consists of people who often buy gifts for all those people who go live on TikTok, and those people who often click on ads to shop on TikTok. Do you understand? TikTok often have this kind of statistics, do you understand, of people who have been able to take action and buy some things on TikTok, and they have high spending limit. Do you understand? They often buy things on TikTok a lot. They gift a lot of people. They buy things online. You understand? So you always want to make sure that you check out this thing whenever you are trying to run your ads, so you can be able to get maximum sales for your drop shipping business or product, and you can be able to use this to even run a followers kind of ads and get people who have high spending power on your followers list on TikTok. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now and stay healthy.